Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Bhavin. I represent India-based for Sale.com. We are a discovery platform for SMEs in India for their merger and acquisition, investment opportunities, and business partnerships in India. So why we are here? We are here to solve the issues of SMEs in India. There are more than 48 million SMEs, and especially when they're looking for merger and acquisition, joint venture, and partnerships, it is very hard for them to find the other party who is interested in doing the business with them. So the seller has a problem that how do I know who to sell my business, how to go about it, and how to keep it confidential. Buyer wants to buy a business but doesn't know which kind of business to buy, where to find this business, and how to value a business. And there is a business broker who wants to work on each kind of buy and sell side opportunity, but the success rate is not good. He normally gets paid when the business is sold or acquired, and reach is generally very limited. So that's how we have created a platform which is very easy to discover opportunities for business acquisition and exit. It's easy to discover. We have curated all the listings. So all the listings goes with the minimum level of hygiene so that the basic information investor requires are found there. And we create a direct communication between buy side and sell side. Again, it's confidential. So only buy and sell side can reveal the identity of their business or their position. So our value proposition is for domestic and inbound business opportunities. We do get a lot of interest from companies out of India who want to come to India, especially in the SME sector. For larger organizations, there are always investment banks and advisory companies. But for SME kind of business model, there isn't any platform who can do that. So we provide discovery. We provide process-driven but very easy to use platform for deal making. We enable the quality business broker to facilitate the deal making. So we are saying that our platform will become a deal sourcing platform for business brokers. We are not replacing business brokers, but we are allowing them to align their goals with the platform, and they can make this deal making process quick and private. And we also provide a lot of knowledge. We provide a lot of solution for knowledge gap. A lot of SMEs don't know how to go about it. So we have a lot of material to help them with. So this is how the website looks. Sorry, the screen is a little bit stretched here, but right now we have around 781 businesses for sale. This is how the first screen looks like, and it's very convenient. It is good to see on the phone, as mobile phone as well. And this is for the seller. So these are the seller opportunities, and the buyer would click on this, and they'll get more information about the business. Why is it for sale? How long they've been running the business? How many employees work there? What is their turnover? What is the EBITDA figure? How many employees there? What kind of company is this? Whether it is private limited company or not? So all those information is available there. And then next level is the communication part. Okay, so our business model is that we charge for the listing. So the buyer or sell side, they register, the registration is free. Then they select a package, which is a subscription package for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Later on, they search and identify the business they want to interact with. And later on, they have the direct communication channel between themselves via the system. We earn money right now from the listing revenue only. Right now, we have more than 140 plus paid clients. And we also enable third-party service providers like valuation experts, business brokers, diligence experts, legal experts to get engaged with these deal-making process, and we get the referral cut from that, those service providers as well. Currently, we have 7 such partnerships that is active, but we are looking to expand that throughout India in all the key towns and cities where we can provide this solution. Okay, our go-to-market strategy so far has been organic, like digital marketing, social media campaigning, WhatsApp campaigns. We do attend a lot of trade events, B2B events, events by CII, FICCI, ASSOCHAM, where we interact with SMEs at the exhibition stand. We are also tying up with associations like CII and FICCI. They have B2B platform which allows their member to interact with each other, and we are trying to integrate our data into their system so that they can see the available opportunities across India. Also, coming months, we are launching something called on-ground physical visits, where whatever data which we have right now available on the platform, we want to bring more value proposition to those data for our premium clients that we can validate some of the data there. We are also, okay, so I think time is up, but this is a slide. Any questions? Yeah. Banks are here, probably just cut down. But yes, banks are very much heavily involved in the terms of the financing the buying requirement of the buy side. So they want to finance those transactions. So they want those kind of leads, as well as they have some, if they can provide this value addition to their current clients, they can also increase their chances of providing more finance. So we had a leading NBFC of India, 17,000 customers, and they wanted to engage with us in terms of whether they can provide our solution to those people. And if some of those people want to acquire other companies, they will require finance. So they can sell more finance to those. So yeah, we are very much into.
140 listings, acquired over a period of?
Oh, 780 plus listings. 783 listings from the sell side. We have more than 1,200 listings from the buy side.
What is the 140 number?
140 are paid clients. Some of them have been renewing as well. If the business, year and quarter. Only then we started charging. So we have been in existence since January 2013. Our website was launched last year, January, and we started charging people only from second quarter of 2014.
How many transactions have actually happened and how will you track?
Okay. So we do not claim that all the transactions will happen here, because business buying is something which will happen offline after the matchmaking has made. So we try to track that. What we have been able to track, there are 5 which we can 100% guaranteed that they are done from the system. There are quite few more which have happened here, but we don't have that 100% guarantee in written form that it is done from here. But yes, there is a metric which is there, but it is because normally selling a business to buying a business, it takes you 6 to 9 months. And we've just started a year and quarter back. So we'll still see more of those happening in coming months. We already right now have at least 4 businesses which are at very, very last level of signing the deal in current month. So that will come, more of such things will happen. But right now we are targeting more like matchmaking and stuff. Okay. So right now we have, we are the largest in the Indian context. We have the 783 listings. There is another company called BusinessX. They are the franchise India group, but they have around less than 350 listings. And then there is another one called S-Mergers and Business Deals. But right now we are the largest from buy side and sell side both. And we are growing fast. So competition from Indian perspective, there are 3 or 4 major players, and there are 13 other smaller companies as well. And obviously there are business brokers and stuff, but we work alongside with them. Okay.